All right, here we go, my algebra students. I'm gonna go over the quiz we had today. Quiz. Here we go. Number 1. You ready for it? Here it is. Yeah. So here we go, factoring. Oh, we gotta factor this. All we gotta do is see if there's a factorable. Something factorable. Yeah. There's no number factorable. What about variables? What about the variables? Nope. We got x squared, x. So we go directly to what? To what? The generic rectangle. There we go. Area model. Here we go. First term. 2x squared. Third term. Plus 6. With the x factor. There you go. So what do we get here? We get 12x squared. And in the bottom, you should get what? The middle term, which is plus 7x. Plus 7x. So what times what will give you 12x squared? But at the same time, when you add, combine like terms, you get 7x. What is it? Yep. We get 2x plus 5x. That'll give me what? No, not 5x. I gotta take that out. Take that out. It's actually what? It won't work. It won't work. Let me see. Let me erase that. Oops. There's no eraser. Where's the eraser? Don't. There you go. You're going to erase that. So then it's going to be what? 3x plus and 4x. So 3x times 4x is 12x squared. So that will give me the 7x that I need when I combine like terms. Alright, cool. Let's do it. So now we got 3x and we got 4x. So we know that 2 is 2 times 1, so I'm going to use x times x. But where's the 2 times 1? Well, I'm going to put it right here, because 2 times 2 is 4, and I already got the x. So that one looks good. And then the other one is plus 3. And there we go. Here are my factors, because 3 times 2 is 6. So there's my factors. 2x plus 3 and x plus 2. That was number 1. What about the next one? Number 2. Did you get this as your answer? 3 problems. That's it. We're done. I hope you guys did well. Okay? And let's just move forward. And we're done. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed your minimum day. Alright. There you go. There are your answers. Adios. Here we go with number 2. Alright, here we go. Here we go, minus 6x squared, minus 45x. Now here's a tricky one. Hey. Alright, so look. We got 3, 6, 45. Can I factor something out? 3. See, I can factor out a 3, so let's factor it out. If you don't know, then you're going to do this. X times x times x. That's 3 times x times x. It gives you 3x squared. If you don't know how to do this, that's fine. Negative 1. 2 times 3 is 6, and then x times x. And then a negative 1. And 45 is 9 times 5. But the 9 is 3 times 3, right? Times 5 times x. So what's your common factor? Well, I got a 3, and a 3. So my common factor is a 3. Now I also got an x, and an x. So I got 3x. Close the window. X squared minus 2x minus 15. So don't forget, I got to bring this down. Abajo, abajo. Bring it down. There you go. 3x. So once I do everything, my answer should be x minus 5 times x plus 3. That's your answer right there. That's it. We're done. We're done. See? All right, number 3. How about this one for number 2? Did you get that one? How about 1? All right, here we go. All right, do I have a common factor? Do I? Well, I got 4, which is 2 times 2, and it doesn't go to 25. So let's say I didn't know. Let's just do it. 2 times 2 times x, and then we got minus 1, 25. It's 5 times 5. That's it. No common factor, so take it out. Generic rectangle. 4x squared minus 25. So what do I have? Minus 100x squared. In the bottom it should be 0 because there's no middle term with an x. You belong with me. Yeah. So what times what will give you 100? But when you add them, you're going to have 0. What do you got? Yep, 10 times 10. 10 times 10. So here we go. Got 10x times 10x, and one's got to be negative, right? So then I'll go ahead and put 10x here and negative 10x there. So now x squared is x times x. Now what about 4? I could do 4 times 1, but it wouldn't go with 10, right? It wouldn't go with the 10, nor this 10. So why don't I break it down to 2? 2 times 2. Oh, that one works. Plus 5. And then what else? Another plus 5, right? Or actually minus 5. And there's your answer. There's your answer. 2x minus 5, right? And 2x plus 5. And there are my answers. Oh, yeah. There are my answers. My 3 answers. 2x minus 5 times 2x plus 5. How did you do?